Struggling with hiccups that just won't stop? Here are a couple acupressure points that can help. So first thing you're going to do is between the eyebrows, you're going to come to a little divot here, and it should be pretty tender. So massage that on both sides for about 2 minutes. And then you're going to come to the meaty part of the thumb and dig around in here until you find something tender. So for me, it's right there. Hold that, kind of move it around. Again, 1 to 2 minutes. Try the other side, and hopefully these points will help relax the diaphragm and stop those hiccups. Follow for more content like this.